So today I have another video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this 1920s look, and I'm going to be trying new products. I'm going to be trying products from Soultanicals. I had a lot of fun creating this look and putting this together. I can't wait for you guys to start the tutorial. So yeah, without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. So I already sectioned my hair off camera so we don't waste time and we just jump straight in. I'm going to show you guys how to do the section. So you cut out the front part from one ear to the other, and then you do your part. I decided to go with a side part. Then you also split each side into 3. That's where we're going to be doing our flat twist. So now time to moisturize. I'm going to be starting by spraying some water in my hair. You always want to spray water in your hair before you start adding your detanglers and your stylers. Next, I'm going to be taking the Soultanicals Nut Sauce Coil Detangler with Blue Malva, broccoli seed oil, and coconut nectar, just to name a few of the ingredients. Now this is a detangler that can also be used as a conditioner and a moisturizing leave-in. It has a lot of plant-based natural ingredients. Now because of the ingredients, it makes the product spread really nicely around your hair, so the product coats all your strands and it makes it easier for you to detangle. As you guys can see, I'm finger detangling. Soultanicals also has another leave-in conditioner, but I decided to try this one because it claimed to make your hair very soft, and I can definitely attest to that. The product also has an amazing smell. Next, I'm going to be taking Soultanicals Can't Believe It's Not Butter with coconut milk and Jamaican black castor oil. Now this is a very buttery whipped moisturizing cream or moisturizing butter. It contains mango butter, shea butter, castor oil, rice bran oil, coconut oil, just to name a few of the key ingredients. Yeah, it also contains sweet honey as well, and it can be used as a styling cream and also a moisturizer. Now this butter is very creamy and soft, so it really adds moisture to your hair, and it also seals in moisture from the previous products. The product is also vegan and it can also be used on your body as well, so you're basically getting a hair butter and a body butter at the same time. Yeah, I really like this one because it adds to the softness of your hair. Next up, we have Soultanicals Straight Butter Heavy Sealing Hair Butter with kupwaku, mango, and cocoa butters. As the name implies, it is a really heavy sealing butter. It's super thick. This is a product that I'll recommend mostly during the colder times, like during winter or like late fall. Those are the times when you need like the most moisture and like you need to really seal in moisture in your hair. But during summer, this might be a little thick for summer, so I'd advise that you use the previous butter, the one I used before this, instead during the summertime. But yeah, it's a really thick butter. It contains mango butter, cocoa butter, castor oil, macadamia nut, avocado oil. Like, it's a really moisture intensive sealing hair butter. So I'm just going to be applying just a little to my hair, just to basically add some shine to my hair. So as you guys can see, I've already started doing my flat twist. So like I said, 3 flat twists on one side and 3 on the other side. I decided to do my part on this side because I just like doing my parts on this side most of the time. But you can do a middle part if you want. You can do a side part if you want. Yeah, just basically tweak this down to how you like it. If you don't know how to flat twist, there are a lot of flat twisting tutorials on YouTube, so I'd advise that you watch one of them before you do this. Or you can simply braid. You can actually achieve this style doing braids, but personally I like to flat twist, so I'm just doing that. So I'm done doing my 3 on this side. I'm going to be doing the 3 on the other side. And the products I applied also made my flat twisting very easy because my hair was very moisturized. Flat twisting was super easy for me. So as you can see, I'm applying my products once more before I do my flat twist on this side. Soultanicals has a lot of really nice products. I ran into them at the Natural Hair Show and I got like the little brochure where they have a list of all their products, and they have so many really nice and vegan hair and body butters and leave-in conditioners, stylers, cleansers, so many products. So definitely check out their website for a list of all their products. So I'm doing my last flat twist, as you can see. Make sure you do your flat twist as nice as possible. So now I'm done flat twisting. I'm going to work on the back. So I've gone ahead and done most of the back, and I'm just going to show you guys what I do with the remaining sections that I haven't worked on yet. So I'm just going to be doing a simple twist and curl. Start by spraying some water in my hair, and I forgot to mention, I started doing this style on an old twist out. So it's better for you to do this on old hair, maybe an old twist out or an old braid out, so that your hair is more stretched when you do this style. So as you can see, I'm applying some of my products before I start doing my twists and before I roll them up in my rollers. I'm just doing simple medium-sized twists. I had about 30 sections in my hair, but you guys know I like to do a lot of sections because it helps my definition come out better. But just do however many sections that you're used to. And as you can see, I'm not rolling my hair all the way to the roots. I'm stopping the roller about 1.5 inches to 2 inches from my roots. So after I'm done twisting, I take my roller and roll it up, but I do not roll it up completely. I leave some space, about 1.5 inches from my roots, before I am locking the roller. And if you don't have rollers, you can definitely use flexi rods. I have another video where I did a twist and curl with flexi rods. I'm going to link that down below, and I'm also going to leave it at the end of this video, so stay tuned to the end of this video and to pop up on your screen so that you can see how your hair will turn out if you use flexi rods. But I wanted a really curly look, a really fluffy and curly look. That's why I decided to use rollers. But yeah, you can definitely use flexi rods if you have flexi rods. So I'm also applying my rollers to the ends of my flat twist as well. You guys will see why later on in the video. But yeah, now I'm done putting in all my rollers. I'm going to go to bed like this. So the next morning, my hair is dry. You want to make sure that your hair is completely dry. Actually, most of my hair dried apart from one of the sections. I don't know why that didn't dry, but luckily for me, it was dry enough so where I could still manage it. But make sure that your hair is completely dry before you take it out of the rollers. So I'm just going ahead and removing all my rollers, and as you can see, my hair is very defined. It looks really nice and it's very shiny. So now I am unraveling my twist. Normally I unravel my twist before I go ahead and separate and fluff, but for this style I'm going to unravel each section, separate and fluff the section, and move on to the next. Like I said, I wanted a really fluffy curly kind of look, so I'm really going in with my separation, separating it as much as possible. Basically separating each twist into about 4 parts. I'm not really going for definition in this look. I just want it to be really fluffy, so I'm really going in with my separation. My hair felt really soft. Oh my god, my hair felt so soft when I took it out, and my hair felt really strong as well. It felt really strong and healthy, and it felt super soft. My hair just felt very healthy, and I was really impressed. And it had a really nice shine as well. It actually felt, my hair felt like it was a cloud. So I'm done unraveling my twist. As you can see, this is basically what I'm going for, that really fluffy look. So yeah, if you want a fluffy look, you want to go in with your separation. If you want definition, you don't want to separate as much, but it just depends on the look you're going for. So now I'm just fluffing everything out, and next I'm going to start working on the other parts of my hair. So I'm going to take a bobby pin and pin down my flat twist, because I'm also going to be separating the ends of 2 of them. So I'm going to be separating the ends of just 2. I'm not going to be touching the first flat twist. I'm only doing like the second 2. So you want to put the bobby pin there so that when you separate the end, it doesn't unravel the entire thing. Now for the first one, you know how in a lot of these 1920s videos or pictures, they always have like these really nice curls at the side of their head. So what I'm doing is that I'm going to be taking the end of the flat twist, because I curled it up in the roller. I'm just going to roll it up and pin it down with a bobby pin on each side. So basically I just roll it up and pin it with a bobby pin on each side. So now I'm going to prepare my hair for my headband. I'm just slicking my hair back a bit and just putting some bobby pins so that my hair lays towards the back a bit. So this is basically how you do the hair look. Yeah, it's very easy and it's very straightforward. just basically turn around so that you guys can see my hair from different angles. Next, I'm going to be using my headband and doing all my wearing my earrings and all that stuff to really turn this into a 1920s inspired look. So I got this off of Amazon. Just type in like 1920s accessories or something like that, and you will find like different types. The entire pack comes with a headband, it comes with the pearls, it comes with earrings, it comes with like the gloves as well. So yeah, it's a really nice pack if you're trying to do like a 1920s look for a costume party or for Halloween or something like that. And it was pretty cheap, I think about $16. So yeah. So I'm putting on my pearls as well because, you know, 1920s flappers and people from that era really like pearls and nice earrings and all that stuff. So next I'm going to be putting on my gloves. These gloves were a bit big for me though. Yeah, they kept sliding down, but since it was just for the video, I really didn't care that much. So next, this boa, I got it from Party City, about $24. And I thought it would go really well with this look, so I decided to buy it. And yeah, this is basically my completed look. I really enjoyed putting this look together. I really enjoyed coming up with this look. This is a classic 1920s look that you can wear to Halloween parties, costume parties, or anything like that. So definitely save this video for Halloween. Now let me know if you guys have any other suggestions on another era that you would like me to recreate. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts below, and make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video so that you guys can see my other styling videos pop up on your screen. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. All the products I use are from Soultanicals, and they will all be down below in the description box, so please make sure you check that out. You guys know I like doing videos like this where I pick like certain eras or certain characters and try to recreate like my interpretation of the look. And I'm gonna leave all the other videos I've done like this in a playlist if you guys want to go see that. So yeah, I've done a lot of Disney princesses, I've done Minnie Mouse, I've done several kind of characters. So yeah, I'm just going to leave all of that in a playlist for you guys. If you have any ideas or suggestions of another era I should do, I'm thinking of doing something from like the 40s or 50s next. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below or my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.